So my next guest today is Ethan Jones from Kurtz Ersa.
Yep.
Good to see you, Ethan.
Good to see you too.
Yeah, so you're really responsible for the Rework systems.
Correct.
The HR600
Yep.
machine. So tell us what are the key features of the HR600?
Yeah. So some of the key features that are going to be on this is, the ability to do really big boards. We're going to actually be
You're
able
talking
to
about the big 5G boards. And
Yeah.
things like that.
Yep. So about 24.5 inch by 24.5 inch, all the way up to 24.5 by 50 inch. So
Wow.
pretty big boards.
Yep.
As well as one of the new things that we've had on this system is our auto-scavenger. Really takes that human intervention out and the operator out, so that you can really get that board, get that component off, new or completely cleaned, and put back on there. So
Right. Okay.
really big, huge.
Right. And one of the differentiators, I believe, is your heating source. You're using infrared top and bottom.
Correct. Yeah.
Why do you do that instead of the hot air approach?
Really because, with those hot air systems, you're going to have a component-specific nozzle. So with our systems, there's no need to have that component-specific nozzle. So you have a wide variety of, SMT components you're going to be able to rework because of that.
So does that make setup and quicker and everything?
Oh, yeah.
quicker?
Yeah. You don't have to spend, that time and money that you're going to have to do to get those component-specific nozzles. So with our systems, that takes that out of that.
But it's not going to damage any components
Nope.
around it?
Yeah. No, all the components adjacent, with all the studies we've done, nothing's been damaged or misaligned or anything in that sense.
Right. Interesting. Okay. And so basically the way that it works for the component replacement, it just it works on an XY gantry. It's automatic.
Yep, correct.
So you don't manually push it down onto the board. It's done automatically. You do it through Gerber data or something like that?
Yeah, so the only thing the operator has to do is just basically put it on what we call our little optical nest, and then it picks it up out of there and places it onto the board, using an algorithm to align from the pads on each component in this board.
Okay.
Yep.
And presumably you can adjust the heat to whatever's needed.
Exactly, yeah. On the 600XL, we actually have 25 different individual heating elements on the bottom that you can change and adjust to however you would like.
Okay. And do you measure the thermal profile across it at all?
Yeah, so we had the 600XL also has 8 different thermocouple inputs. One that's control, and then all the other ones you could put around to, watch if you want to make sure you have a component that doesn't get too hot or anything in that sense.
Right. Okay, great. Well, sounds a very versatile system.
Absolutely.
And you're obviously very enthusiastic about it. So
Definitely.
I'm guessing you're selling a few.
Oh, yep, absolutely.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.